Hi, in this video we're going to go over how to find criminal records and arrest records in the state of New York. If you head down to newyorkpublicrecords.org, you can type that into your browser, or I can leave a link in the description. You can also just follow the link. What you'll notice on the home page is you have multiple public record databases to use in the state of New York. And maybe some of this could be potentially useful here. We are going to be talking about criminal records in New York and arrest records. And so what you'll notice is if you hover over other records, you have specific pages for the most sought after record types. So in this case, we're going to be looking at criminal records. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And you'll notice all the resources you have at the state level available to you. Anything from courts to a self-check to a sex offender registry. You have multiple databases available. Another thing you can look at is you can click on the inmate search. And what this allows you to do is look at prison records and parole information. You also have records you can access at the county level. So let's say you want to see if somebody was arrested, or maybe somebody serving a prison sentence. You can find the prison sentence information if they're at the Department of Corrections. Now that's over 12 months of time. If somebody just got arrested and they're out tomorrow, they might, if the sheriff's department in that county has a public list available, that information will show up there. So just basic arrest information and things like that. Now, if you want to go beyond that, let's say you wanted to check, because anytime somebody gets arrested or even gets a ticket, they will have to go to court, and that creates a public record. So you're able to also utilize court records to do your research. So you might want to look at the different types of there are various types of courts handling different types of situations, anything from a family to probate, and so if you can figure out which court specifically deals, say, with criminal arrest records, and try to get more details regarding a particular arrest, as an example. So you have quite a few options here when it comes to criminal and arrest record research. Another thing to consider is the name search on top. Now, this is a private database. It uses public and private databases. It doesn't just stay at the look at records at the county level or at the state level in New York. It goes outside the state. So let's say somebody has records from Florida or Georgia. Let's say they had some issues a few years back. Now they're living in New York. If you're just checking local county or state records, you're not necessarily going to catch that information. So to make sure you have everything covered, all your bases covered, you can also utilize the private database. It's instantaneous. It's pretty quick. So again, I want to say everything does originate at the county level. Those are going to be your freshest, most up-to-date records, but they are going to be constrained to a specific area, specific county, specific state. So just keep that in mind. So come on down to newyorkpublicrecords.org and get started on your New York criminal record search. Thank you.